Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's MAKIA FOREX. In this video, we are going to be doing our Gbpjpy analysis. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. And if you want to join our Telegram group, I'll leave the link in the description. So Gbpjpy is currently on a bullish trend. You can clearly see I've drawn my trend line. Let me start from the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, it is very clear that we're in a bullish trend. You can clearly see we're in a bullish trend ever since the 9th of April 2025. So I've been on a steady bullish move to the upside, but you can see that in the daily time frame we have an interesting pattern over here. In this particular pattern, this two candle pattern is what you call the bearish engulfment pattern, or the bearish engulfing pattern. So it means that the trend may likely be bearish, okay, if this pattern has to be followed. So I will likely be looking for a pullback. Price may pull back to the upside. Then if I see that it's going to be bearish, I'll take a sell trade on Gbpjpy. But for now, we are currently in a bullish zone. So let me come to the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that we are still in a bullish trend, so we have to be looking for buying zones. I've already drawn my order blocks here. Here we have an order block. Here we have a fair value gap that was tested when price came to this particular area and reversed back to the upside, forming a morning star formation. Okay, so now price rose to the upside, formed a higher high, then price pulled back and started a small downtrend, and price has fallen down to test a fair value gap before now it's buying to the upside. Okay, so now we are seeing that it's going to be bullish, but I'm looking at a sell opportunity on Gbpjpy if I see one, so I can take a trade on Gbpjpy. So I can buy for now, but I'm looking for a sell trade overall if I see one in the market. So this is the 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that over here we have a double bottom formation, and you can see that price entered the fair value gap, right, which we can still reduce it to be like this. But you know, previously it was like this, so let's keep it the way it was previously. So we had a liquidity sweep before price is moving out to the upside. Sorry, the background is noisy, but I have to do this video anyway, so let's do it. So I'm seeing that price will likely rise to the upside, but before it rises to the upside, we have to see price break structure. Like we have this resistance area here, like that has been tested twice. Price has to break this resistance area before you can buy Gbpjpy for a short period of time. Like I said, I'm going to be looking for a sell trade because I'm looking at the daily time frame, and the daily time frame we're having a bearish engulfment pattern. So price may just pull back to the upside, enter a strong sell zone, and if we see a reaction in the sell zone, we can take a sell trade on Gbpjpy. Okay, so this will be a strong area for us to look for a sell. Either we sell at this particular area or we sell up here. That's if price reaches up to this particular order block, this one here, like that I'm drawing. So if price tests this order block, we can take a sell trade on Gbpjpy, and if price does not get there, if it gets up here, you can still take a sell trade on Gbpjpy. Okay, now in case if price is going to be bearish, as of now, like I said, as of now I'm expecting price to pull to the upside first, react first, like to do a fake out, then it sells massive to the downside. Okay, so it's doing the it's doing the news that I feel that price is going to react very well. That's doing the news, price will likely react very well. But as of now, we are still, you know, looking for price to break out of this particular zone before we can look for any buy setup on Gbpjpy. So as of now, there is no trade on Gbpjpy because we are in a lower time frame consolidation, because price is just moving between these two areas like that. So as of now, we don't really have a trade on Gbpjpy, but in the afternoon we may have a trade on Gbpjpy. There's more to say during the news at 7 p.m. because today we have FOMC. The news is going to the news will also affect Gbpjpy. So during the news we may have a clear setup on Gbpjpy. If you send a trade on Gbpjpy, I will send it to the group. That's my Telegram group. So if you want to join, I will still leave the links in the description. And see you guys in the next video. Take care, have a nice time, bye.